Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Shopify stock, also known as Shop. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create their own online stores. It's known for its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options. Since its inception in 2006, Shopify has grown exponentially, making it one of the most popular choices for online retailers of all sizes. Shopify offers a range of features that make it a top choice for businesses. These include a customizable storefront, secure shopping cart, over 70 payment gateways, and mobile commerce capabilities. It also offers SEO and marketing tools, product reviews, gift cards, and discount codes. One of its standout features is its integration with major social media platforms, allowing businesses to sell directly through these channels. Shopify offers various pricing plans to suit different business needs. The basic Shopify plan costs $29 per month. The Shopify plan, which offers more features, is priced at $79 per month. The advanced Shopify plan, designed for growing businesses, comes at $299 per month. There's also a Shopify Plus plan for large businesses, which comes with custom pricing. Each plan comes with its own set of features and benefits. Shopify is ideal for businesses of all sizes that want to set up an online store. It's perfect for those who want a hands-off approach, as Shopify handles everything from hosting to security. It's also a great choice for businesses that sell on social media or in person, thanks to Shopify's POS system. Additionally, with its robust app marketplace, businesses can further extend their store's functionality. There are several advantages to using Shopify. Firstly, it's incredibly user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to set up an online store. Secondly, the platform is fully hosted, meaning you don't have to worry about server maintenance or upgrades. Thirdly, it offers 24/7 customer support. Lastly, Shopify's extensive app marketplace allows for seamless integration with a variety of third-party services. Despite its many benefits, Shopify has some drawbacks. The platform's customization options can be limited unless you're comfortable with coding. Additionally, while Shopify offers a range of pricing plans, the cost can add up, especially when you factor in the additional fees for third-party apps or premium themes. Lastly, businesses selling digital products might find Shopify's features less suited to their needs. In conclusion, Shopify is a robust, user-friendly e-commerce platform suitable for businesses of all sizes. While it does have some limitations and can become costly, its wide range of features, 24/7 customer support, and ease of use make it a strong contender in the e-commerce platform market. As always, it's important for businesses to evaluate their needs before choosing a platform. Thank you for watching our analysis of Shopify stock. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of stocks and other financial topics. Your support helps us continue to provide quality content. Thank you and see you in the next video.